So I thought I'd take you for a quick walk down to Debbie's plot, which is looking quite nice. She's just given this little hazel hedge a trim, but this is my favourite sort of spot here to appreciate everything that's growing here. So just as we go in, we've got purple sprouting broccoli for spring down there, red gooseberries which are just finishing, apples which are looking really rather special, and sweet corn, soon to be, cauliflowers and calabrese, more sweet corn, our main herb beds, bit of kale, soon to be the next succession of purple sprouting broccoli. So we should get a harvest all the way through March, April and early May. More sweet corn, rhubarb, and this is our main potato bed. We've got quite a few potato beds, but this is the main one. This part is pretty much finished. That part will stay for until September, and so we've got brassicas to go in here fairly soon. Just taking last little straggly bits of brassicas out down that edge there, and we've harvested most, not all, but most of the black currants and the red currants and the white currants and the pink currants. And there's another view of those apples. I'll just zoom in here on these Jonah Golds because wow, do they look good. And parsnips, and soon to be cauliflowers, and plums that really needed thinning. Pears, these are, they look like conference, don't they, but they're actually Concord. This is what Concord look like. I've seen people describe pears that look like this as Concord. These are Williams. Anyway, that's what Concord looks like. It's like a conference pear, but superior. A few of these absolutely stunning globe artichokes, and plums at the back there. And then this is a red delicious, and I absolutely love this red delicious. It's a real favourite of mine. But yeah, really crisp. I really like a nice crisp apple. Figs. I think there are some figs on here, but I can't see them right now. Oh yeah, there they are. There's one. I think there's quite a few on there somewhere. And cherry tree, and then another hazel hedge at the back there. It takes a lot of work to maintain that hazel hedge. That's not for me. So I was looking at that Jonah Gold tree. I saw there's a few with grubs, so thin those off. So there we go. It's a lovely little plot. My name's Steve. This is the Outgrow channel, and I'll see you soon.